So this was slightly a fail, slightly not a fail, slightly a win. It was a win and a fail. Hey, what's up? How's it going, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dress from a pillowcase. Wow! I got this pillowcase at Goodwill. If you watch my other videos, then you know me and Goodwill pretty close. And we're gonna turn it into like a nice little like cawl-neck party dress kind of thing. And pink was the only thing I could find there, but that's okay. So, okay, so all you're gonna need is one pillowcase, and I got this from Goodwill for literally $1. And it needs to be a pillowcase that's like kind of like, it can droop and it's kind of like slinky and then you're gonna need something for the straps. This is actually binding tape, and mine doesn't actually match the pillowcase, but I know you can get this at like Joann Fabrics or like Michael's or something. But yeah, or you can just cut the bottom off, because we're just gonna cut it anyway, so you can just cut the bottom off and use that as straps. And then you're gonna need some scissors. Okay, so this is actually just very basic. We have our scissors or straps or whatever, and we can take the tag off. Alright, so we're gonna want to cut about maybe like an inch or so off. Basically what that did is just open it up, so now it's like there's space through there, it's a hole. So if you don't have straps, you can cut this in half and use this as the straps. So now that I'm trying it on, I'm realizing that it's slightly tight on my bum, but you know, minor complications, minor. Oh my god. Okay, so it's basically just gonna, oh my gosh, that is a lot tighter. So maybe we need like the deluxe pillowcases, or this is just a dress on the tighter side, you know, bodycon, bootylicious. Okay, so we're gonna take the binding tape. I'm gonna attach it. Oh, we gotta fix this. Attach it where we want, which is gonna be, you're gonna pull this up towards you so that there's a lot of, we're gonna mark this. So this is like about 3 inches away from the seam on this side, and same on this side. So note that. We're gonna fold the top hem under so that the fraying does not show. And then we're gonna do 3 inches from the side. We're gonna cut. Then we're gonna take the binding tape and we're gonna put it so the good side is facing out where the dress will be. And then we're just gonna tie the binding tape through the hole, or the cut bottom of the dress, whichever one you did. And then you're just gonna tie it. So there's that. And then we're gonna do the second strap, just the same thing. Okay, so there we have that. And then we're gonna take this, cut it right in the middle. And then those are the 2 straps. And yeah, so we'll try it on now. Okay, so now that it's on, and we have the 2 straps, it is slightly tighter than I would have hoped, but maybe that's just because I got me some thunder thighs, you know? But we're just gonna tie these back. Just a nice little bow. And then this is what it looks like. So this would be good, I mean, maybe to be like Elwood's for Halloween, or if you like are really desperate for just a nice dress and you don't have much money and you need a dress. Yeah. But, and it can be any color you want because of any color pillowcases. And yeah. But okay, so this was slightly a fail, slightly not a fail, slightly a win. It was a win and a fail. But kind of still looks like a pillowcase, but like now you're sexy in a pillowcase, you know? I definitely think there's an easier way to make this not tight. Like, you just get like a, probably they have like wider deluxe pillowcases, I don't know. But yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.